Hey, welcome to the channel. My name is Kryptonite with Drip to Wealth, and we are back again with the video on Warren Finance. Here's a post I made on Twitter this morning, and it's a question for a lot of people that continue to sit on the sidelines and think about getting into Warren Finance. And honestly, I'm really curious about what your hesitation is. That's a very honest question. What is your hesitation? It could be, right now you don't have any disposable income. And I pray that things change for you where that becomes a real possibility for you to pull together some risk capital, emphasis on the word risk capital, and find the right investment for you. And that investment is whatever makes you feel comfortable. Do you believe in the team, the community, the value proposition that token offers? Maybe the tokenomics if you enjoy geeking out and you're here for the tech. Whatever that is that drives you to that token, I'm hopeful that whatever money, risk capital you're able to pull together, you take a chance. But I'm here to create some curiosity at a bare minimum for Warren Finance. So it starts with this question, right? Honestly, who continues to ignore the incredible contribution Warren Pulse is making in crypto? Raise your hands. Like, if you have not gotten into Warren, raise your hands. And do me a favor, in the comments, let me know why you continue to fade it. And perhaps it's a question that goes unanswered. Maybe it's something you don't completely understand and you need somebody to re-explain it. So in the words of Legacy 7, that you overstand it, right? So whatever that is, we're here to break down that barrier for you so that you've done your own research and you can make a very informed decision on whether or not you want to invest or not, right? But anyway, I'm telling you this. If you have not packed, I repeat, if you have not packed your PLS bags, Warren gives you an opportunity to do that. Check this out. What the heck has been going on with the pulsechain ecosystem? WPLS, this wrapped LP, has been going bananas. Bananas. Sideways, 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 and then boom, in a rocket ship headed to the moon. Richard Hart has made himself available. That guy is a master marketer. He is creating FOMO, and that FOMO continues to drive up, which is why you clicked on this video, this total liquidity of nearly $1.9 million. $1.9 million. Now, if any of you guys have been following me, you know that I've had this one wallet. See how I kind of slowed it down for you to really think for a second? That implies I've got a second wallet. You're right, I've got a second wallet. I've already taken profit on the first wallet, this one right here, with over 500,000 Warren tokens staked, earning me, I don't know, I think it's like $500. Well, I don't know. Let's do the math. How do people pull up calculators on the screen? Let's see. How do you do that? Let's go ahead and pull up a calculator. Let's go ahead and do some rough math. So we've got 501, 543 times 0.0293 equals my daily Warren tokens that I earn. So my daily tokens that I earn is 14,695 times the price of Warren, which is 0.2564 equals, come on, man, $376 on this one wallet. So I've already broken even, right? So I RI'd, and now I've been taking out profits, and I'm going to show you on a different video to make sure you come back what I'm actually doing with this $376 and some change. But that's not why I popped on really quick. This is just impromptu. I'm curious. Please, 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 please help me understand what the reservation is about at least investigating Warren and finding out what it's all about, and then spending the extra time to engage with the community to get answers to some of your questions. and then comparing it to some of the other protocols in this space and seeing how well they perform stacked up against Warren. And then once you've gone through the process of kind of answering those questions and identifying some risk capital, maybe consider throwing some loose change at it. All right, here's something I'm going to do. Now, I'm just kind of in a good mood because I woke up and I saw Warren mooning on its way to like 1.9 million in TVL. If you guys decide to use my referral link, I am going to send you a nice surprise. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but I'm going to send you a nice surprise. All you have to do is use my referral link and go into my Telegram and tell me that you used my link and you joined Warren. I'll have a nice surprise for you. Anyway, I wish you all peace and prosperity. Stay hydrated.